Good morning. Sampradana Charitable Trust, Mysore again. Today I am going to discuss something on bandhas. Bandha means locks. Sanskrit, the word Sanskrit bandha means locks. You know very well, there are major and minor locks are being used by the yogis. Not only in Kundalini Kriya Yoga, these bandhas are very helpful in leading our day-to-day life in a perfect way. For instance, there is a reservoir, water reservoir, dam, some ex-dam. The purpose of collecting water is to redistribute to the needy area. Is it not? Likewise, if the dam doors, one or two doors are opened to the minimum or maximum or medium way, the water flows in the canal. From the dam, the water flows on the canal. From the canal, south, north, east, west, 4 directions. Plenty number of villages are being surrounded alongside the dam. If you open the door and open all the 4 doors of 4 different locations, the water won't flow in a very speedy way, fast way. To facilitate the water to go in a faster way to reach the destination, there are so many pump sets and valves are being commissioned attached to the dam. If you want the water to flow to the north side, you close all the 3 valves and open only one valve. So the entire water which is being opened from the dam will be directed or deviated to the opened valve area. So the water gushes in a speedy way and reaches the destination on time. So this is the purpose of keeping wall. The bandhas are nothing but wall. Bandhas are nothing but wall. MBBS, you study doctor course, MBBS. Entire anatomy, body level and medicine level, the basic things are being taught. But there are certain doctors, they get the specialization. Eye specialist, neuro specialist, ENT specialist, and orthopedy, dental. Likewise, there are plenty number of separate specialized doctors for specialized area. Like that, the blood is being pumped from the heart. The blood carries prana shakti, space, akasha and food energy to the needed area cells. But certain occasions you require more prana shakti for a particular area. Then what you do? You cannot cut open the heart and put a valve and tune it up. It is impossible. But the yogis, by meditation, they have invented so many sutras. If you put X mudra, X bandha, the particular blood or energy passes to the particular area. If you put Y bandha, the particular energy, the particular blood, the particular this thing flows towards the particular area. Likewise, the major bandhas, Muladhara bandha, Jalandhara bandha, Udyana bandha, and all these put together, another one bandha is called Tribandha. This is the major bandhas. But there are certain subsidiary and medium bandhas. like eye specialist and heart specialist and some other specialist. If you put the subsidiary bandhas, it covers only the subtle portions of the body, like head, shoulder, stomach area, your waist area, your bottom portion of the this thing body. Likewise, there are variety number of bandhas are there. The important bandhas are Jiva Bandha, Kechari Mudra and Talu Chakra Bandha, Agna Bandha, Swadi Bandha, Nabi Bandha, Hri Bandha, Paramananda Bandha. Okay, from this video, one by one, I am going to deal entire bandhas. Okay, day to day activity, while you do the pranayama, whichever area you require any this thing energy, subtle energy to move forward, you can put that particular bandha and get the energy to flow on the particular area. The blockages will happen on two causes. Blockages and breakage. How to this thing? What is a blockage? The mental and physical level, the glands, if you think negatively, automatically the negative emotion will deactivate or demotivate the gland, and the gland starts secreting poisonous juices. Once the gland produces the poisonous juices, it won't find any other way other than pumping the unwanted juices or poisonous juices into the blood. Likewise, not only one gland, there are 105 minor and major glands are there in the body. If 5 or 6 glands operates in a negative way, automatically all the 5 or 6 glands secretes negative juices or negative energy that is being pumped into the blood, which is unwanted, which is not at all needed for the cells to consume. So all these things becomes a toxin to the blood. Once the blood is being toxinated, the flow of the blood is being stuck. Some part of the body, the blood, either it moves very slowly or it won't move at all. That is called blockage. To remove these type of blockages and make the blood flow to reach the destination, if you put these type of bandhas, the stream, the blood flow will be streamlined. These bandhas are that much very important. Okay, if you want to be energetic, if you want to be healthy without any disease, you got to learn these bandhas and apply the bandha on time. Okay, it helps a lot. Today on this video I am going to teach you Jiva Bandha. Jiva means life. Sit in a comfortable posture like Padmasana or Siddhasana or Vajrasana. And whatever the thing rule apply for pranayama and meditation, the same rule is applied for these bandhas also. Your stomach should be empty. The place where you are sitting should be very clean, neat, airy. Ventilation should be there. Okay. And then they don't put any mudra on the hand. Okay. Just simply keep the palm on the thigh. Sit straight. Sit straight. Now what you have to do is the tip of the tongue, very near to the teeth, inside there is a harder area. The tip of the tongue should touch the harder area. Got it? Don't confuse yourself. This bandha with the Kechari Mudra, that is Mudra, this is bandha. This is a lock, that is Mudra, don't confuse. Kechari Mudra, you have to pull the tongue inside and try to touch the inner tongue or soft palate, soft portion of the palate. Here you are touching the harder portion of the palate, not softer. That one you are taking this thing inside, it is only front side. And you got to stretch both of the jaw. Don't use your hands, stretch it. Don't open the eye full. and do normal breathing. Do normal breathing. 10 to 20 seconds. 10 to 20 seconds. After coming out of the mudra, take some 5-second rest. Again, you do the mudra. 5 times you got to do it. 20 seconds, 5 times. You have to give some gap each mudra. Okay. What is the purpose of this thing, using this mudra? The subtle energy flows from the bottom, from Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Nabhi chakra, that is Manipura chakra, Anahata chakra, and comes to the throat chakra. Certain occasions the energy won't flow the upper portion to the upper portion. Somewhere it will be stuck here. To streamline that this thing, blood flow or energy flow, if you put this mudra, the energy will be brought inward, sent inward, goes to the Agna chakra, Soma chakra, Guru chakra, and then it helps to go to the Sahasrara. Once it goes to the Sahasrara, the right brain and left brain will be synchronized. The flow of energy will be synchronized. You become intuitive. Okay? Put the mudra, get the benefit. Thank you.